Today we are taking an example which is based on nuclear quadrupole moment. Let us see what is the example. Quadrupole moment is given by this equation, which is familiar. Q is equals to half summation of Qi into this one, where Qi is the charge of ith proton and Z is the z direction of ith proton and R is the distance of ith proton from the center of the nucleus. Now we calculate the quadrupole moment in 4 cases. This is given. First of all is when Q is placed at Z is equals to plus R at Z axis, and second one is this one, third one is this, and fourth one is this. Let us see one by one these cases. We want to calculate the quadrupole moment of ith proton, which is placed at different locations in different cases. So if one such cases is this one, when Z is equals to R, which means the proton is situated at R distance from the center of the nucleus. Now before taking up this exercise, we should note that this one can be written as like this. Ri can be written in terms of xi, yi, zi, because this is the coordinate of a volume element with respect to origin. So first case is where proton is situated at Z is equals to plus R on the Z axis. In this case, x and y coordinate would be 0 and Z is equals to small r or capital R, which means proton is situated at a distance which is equals to radius of the nucleus. So putting this value in this equation, we got 1 upon 2 Q 3Z 3R square minus x, or x and y would be equal to 0. This one is 0 and Z is equals to R. Then finally we got QR square. First of all, we do exercise mathematically. Then after that we will discuss the physics behind taking this example. So this is the one case which is not equals to 0, and we know that if the quadrupole moment is non-zero, then the charge distribution is asymmetric with respect to the center. Second is the case when proton is situated at x is equals to plus R. In this case, Z is 0, y is 0. Putting this value in this equation, we can find Qx. Q is 0, this one, and finally we get minus half QR squared. This is the negative cases. And third case is when two protons are situated at x is equals to plus R minus R. In this case, Z is equals to 0, y x plus R minus R means this one, plus R and minus R. So for plus R, the quadrupole moment is 1 upon half Q 0 minus, since Z is 0, so putting this value in this equation, we got this one, and for x is equals to minus R, we got this one. Now if we calculate the total quadrupole moment for this case, for these two protons, then we must add these two quadrupole moment Qx1 and Qx2. So total quadrupole moment of these two protons will be minus q r square. Now fourth one is the case when the 6 protons are situated at distance x is equals to plus minus r, y is equals to plus minus r, and z is equals to plus minus r. This is the case where the protons are situated like this one. This is the y direction. This one like this one, plus r, minus r, plus r, minus r, plus r, minus r. If x is equals to plus minus r, then what is the quadrupole moment due to this one? Then putting this value in equation this one, in equation A, we can write this like this one, and finally got this minus q r square. 4x is equals to plus minus r. Similarly, if the protons are situated at plus minus r, plus and minus r, then for plus r this one and for minus r this one. After adding, we got this one minus q r square. And if the two protons are situated at z is equals to plus minus r, this is the case, then 1 upon 2 q 3r square, since z is equals to plus r. This is the case for plus r, and this is for minus r. So we got, after solving this, qr square, and after solving this one we got qr square, total 2qr square for the case when z is equals to plus minus r. Now if we find the quadrupole moment due to this 6 protons which are situated at these points, then we can add them, q is equals to qx by z, and finally got q equals to 0. Now from the definition of quadrupole moment, we know that the quadrupole moment shows that how the charge distribution is distributed inside the nucleus. Now we would show the physics behind taking this example. We know that if quadrupole moment is 0, then charge distribution is symmetrically distributed, and if quadrupole moment is non-zero, then charge distribution is asymmetrically distributed. If q is greater than 0, then this charge distribution is called Prolet spheroidal distribution, and if that quadrupole moment is negative, less than 0, then this one is called oblate spheroidal charge distribution. Now we would show the physics behind these cases. So if the first one is the case when qz is qr square, which is positive means it indicates that the charge distribution is not symmetrical, and this is positive, which also indicates that the charge distribution is asymmetric as well as Prolet spheroidal distribution. Prolet spheroidal means the charge distribution is stressed along the z direction. Now second case, this is the negative and it is not equals to 0, so the charge distribution is asymmetrical or not symmetrical, and this is the case of oblate spheroidal. So oblate means the charge distribution is stressed perpendicular to the z direction. Now third one case where two protons at x is equals to plus minus r. This is the case in which we got the quadrupole moment minus qr square. This is not equals to 0, so in this case the charge distribution is also not symmetric. and this is the case of oblate spheroidal charge distribution. Now fourth one, this is interesting. Since in this case 6 protons are symmetrically distributed, which means this is the center of the nucleus, one is plus r, this is minus r, plus x, minus x, plus z, minus z. If we stand here, then we can show the symmetrical structure around us. So finally this exercise gives us the total quadrupole moment 0, which show mathematically that charge distribution is symmetrical. And by definition we also know that if charge distribution is symmetrical, then automatically the quadrupole moment would be equals to 0 in any condition. So we learn in this exercise that if the quadrupole moment departs from the nuclear shape of the sphericity, then we got non-zero quadrupole moment. In other words, we can conversely say that if a nucleus which has non-zero quadrupole moment, then it indicates that it is a measure of the departure of the nuclear shape from the sphericity, which means if quadrupole moment is non-zero, then the shape of the nucleus will no longer be spherical. Thank you.